This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about baking cups, specifically these metallic baking cups. And there's a few size and color options, and we're going to go through those for you. So there is the small round, which is 2.5 inches in diameter by 1.5 inches high. And that is available in silver and the rose gold. The large round, which is 3 inches in diameter by 1.5 inches high, which is also available in the silver and rose gold. And finally, these petal ones, which are 2.25 inches across by 1.5 inches high. And they feature that great little petal style makeup to them that adds just a little extra flair to your cupcakes. And those are also available in the silver and rose gold. The mini ones feature an additional little paper liner, which is a fantastic little option. And they come in rose gold, silver, and black. These are 1.25 inches across by 3/4 inch high. These eye-catching colors with their grease-resistant lining are a great way to prevent show-through when baking, and they add that attractive, reflective little touch to your presentations. They're perfect for upscale establishments and also for use at events. They're both freezer and oven safe, and the cups can be used freestanding without the need to use tins, which is fantastic, especially for cleanup. You can bake a variety of treats, use them for the presentation of samples. I particularly love the mini ones for doing presentations of samples of cake for cake testing, especially at bridal shows. They're great for other things like small apps and sweets, especially things like truffles or any other kind of candy. And they're great for packaging up things like cookies and chocolates when you're putting them into tins and boxes. They can handle temperatures up to 425 degrees, making them perfect for bakeries, pastry shops, cafes, and coffee shops, chocolatiers, or just for cupcakes for your next birthday party at home.